Woke up this morning and give thanks for life. It's a blessing to be alive. Tyrus Riley and Little Lion vibes, you know? Hey. Whoa, boy. Yeah. Oh. Sing it. Oh. Little Lion sound. But I no Simba. Hey. Tyrus I beat them. And I go, this is the singer. Come on now. Well, if you think Little Lion sound they have to ramp with people, you're wrong. Little Lion sound no shoot and miss. And the sound guy this, you know we programmed to kill. But I think alone can play a song. Will be broken when you walk out. But anytime Little Lion murder sound guy tonight, don't come back. One, go, don't come back. You're dead now. You're dead now. Don't come back. Murder, 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 murder. Don't come back. And you know what kind of days now come back? Dirty Rasta days now come back. You hear me? Watch out now. Big bumper bench. Go through natty. This year we want more blessing. I mean, no see no one for have nothing over me. And when you see me, I beg you not trouble me. We tour the world globally. Stadium sell off and a road robin. And when you see me, I beg you not trouble me. The Little Lion and my family. We want the nicest things, finest things, nicest things in life. It's like an African king, London king, house and car and wives. Hey, nicest things in life, boy. Nicest things in life. Hey, nicest things in the life.